Something is stirring in Bethlehem Square. The music of angels is filling the air. Creation is lit up like a bright shining star. A journey's beginning for wise men afar. And the shepherds run to see this new baby King of Kings. There's no decorations, no presents to share, no garland, no tinsel, just joy everywhere. In a stable of babes sleep so tender and mild, on this first Christmas, Bethlehem-style. Alone in a stable, cast off and forlorn, the King of salvation is humbly born. Creation is longing, is still from its groan. His heavenly glory makes manger his home. Faithful prophets all foretold this new glorious song of old. The carols were singing and the carols been sung. Good tidings of great joy shared for everyone. Rain down from the heavens because of this child. On this first Christmas, Bethlehem-style. So come and praise Him, all embrace Him, Lord of heaven and earth. Meek and mild, this holy child gives every soul its worth. Old is passing, everlasting reign forevermore. Come and save us, Jesus, raise us, Messiah, King and Lord. Rejoice from the mountains, exalt from the vales, make straight in the desert His glories prevail. Good tidings of great joy, let our hearts cry, like that first Christmas, Bethlehem-style.